Fun, informative and creative.
Interesting, useful and fun. I knew that the campus was here and I knew of it and stuff, but I didn't really know fully what it entailed. I did the hairdressing course and I learned a lot about kind of what it's like to do the course here and maybe what it would be like to have a career in hairdressing.
The iVET module is really special because it's different to other programmes we would have done in the past. Students are able to focus themselves on their own keen interests. They're quite specialised courses, and with that comes specialised education, training and resources. It was probably the first time that students have actually gone through to Mallow College to be able to see what it's like putting their own feet in the shoes of a student in third level.
That takes the fear of the unknown, because for many, they won't know what the job entails, or they won't know what a course here in Mallow campus will entail. So it gets them a little flavour for that and makes them much more comfortable then when they would follow through a year or two later.
It was also really nice because we had our own creative freedom, but we also had someone there if we needed help and if we didn't really know how to do something, so it was nice.
You can't beat that when you see the excitement in young people as they're shown something. It opens their eyes.
Things like this are really helping me narrow it down and know what I'm interested in.